want to welcome everyone to Global FX Radio's Market Wrap-Up Show YouTube. I'm your host, Andrew Spanton. May the 12th, 2009. What a day. What a day. What a doggone day. Can you say cable to the moon, Alice? Euro sterling, a lot of the crosses. Commodity currencies on the weaker side. Dollar Canada got up to 117. Wow. So the numbers out of London were very good today, as predicted, and the pound launching, and we'll get to that chart in a bit. The euro, trying to make new highs, but again, euro sterling coming in, reversing nicely. Got as high as 90.18, closing right now, trading right now at 89.33. And again, the cable is the relative strength winner. Barely up on the day, up a little bit on the day, cable, but again, euro dollar looking toppy. But I think, again, it's going to probably make new highs, push higher. And, this 35.50 level, take a look at the hourly chart. Very big if it holds. The hourly chart, nice flag, holding. This whole 35.50 is key. Really even 35.70. But 35 holds, holds the gap. I think the euro dollar is going to be looking very nice. And, again, I just think it's going to be choppy trade. I think you can buy the pullbacks, sell the rallies, and do very well with the euro. Axel Weber coming out saying they're not going to be buying any more bonds. And Trichet basically committed to $80 billion more in the future. So there's definite dissension among the ranks regarding the ECB. So, and with the good numbers coming out of London, I know the unemployment rate went to 7.1%, but unemployment claims went down. And again, industrial production, manufacturing, all better than expected. Tonight's quarterly inflation report out of London should be very interesting. Again, I think that should be more benign. So maybe we see a little weakness in the pound on that. But again, look at this dollar yen. Looks like it's coming around the outside late in the session. Stock market up 86. I think, right now the time is 3:28 p.m. Eastern. I got to tell you, I think the reason for this is retail sales. I think the market's rallying because they think these retail sales numbers are going to be great. And based upon everyone's expectations, the media trying to brainwash us into believe that the economy turned. I don't know what they're smoking. Bottomed out, maybe. Turned? My eye. And so if it did turn, one would think one knows that the first thing it will show up in is retail sales. Let's see if the consumer's spending. Let's see if this inventory reduction is warranted. Let's see if this capacity utilization is going to come back. There are so many unknowns, it's unbelievable. So many unknowns. Hopefully you listen to Ken Langone on CNBC this morning. He was great. Ace Greenberg was on there also. I think he's got to get his teeth whitened. Anyway, look at the dollar yen hourly chart. You take a look. Certainly 97. Listen, stock market up, dollar yen down like this. This whole world's all turned. Listen, are you kidding me? We were short carry trade, got stopped out, lost money, went long carry trade this morning, got stopped out. It just has been horrible. The only thing saving the day really are the cross rates. Euro Canada did very well in. Euro sterling, pound Aussie. Pound Aussie saving the day today. Dumped some stuff at double par. So that certainly was a nice trade there. So all in all, again, I think the trades, now it's going to be more in the cross rates. Like pound Aussie, Euro Canada. I think, oil, yes, was up, but again, inflation is well contained. This quarterly inflation report is going to be weaker. I understand China's making a big move, and they're going to be pushing to do a lot of construction. But again, the global economy, I don't think can be supported by just China. Anyway, dollar yen on the hourly, looking like it's going to go higher. Stock market closing very strong. So much for a turnaround Tuesday in the carry trade. Well, I guess it was. Sterling yen got as high as 149.50, double top. We'll take a look at that in a second. But dollar yen, again, taking a look, we broke my big support level. Notice how we melted down after we broke through that support through 40. I thought it was 60, but it changed once I looked at it. I guess once it got closer. But dollar yen looks muy malo. Very bad. Bad man. Going down, baby. Sell, Mortimer. 95.50, I would say. I think you probably bottom out. I think the market might be a little bit more on the excited side going to this number, retail sales. We got some numbers coming out of London. That core inflation report should be benign. The pound could ease a bit. But again, at the end of the day, I think euro sterling is coming in. Axel Weber, I don't know what these guys are thinking. I just thought Trichet in his last press conference told us he's going to be buying $80 billion in the future. Now all of a sudden Weber said they don't need to buy anymore? They just go out there and buy it. So I'm a little confused. El Cable, Sterling, getting to the top of the channel, baby. Top of the channel to you. Even taking it out. Actually, this channel line, I believe, is held. Broke on through. So meeting a lot of resistance here. Which was the one? There was one. Well, this is the other one, right? 155. Oh, baby. I don't know. I don't think it's going to get there, but we'll see. And certainly looking at cable, getting a little extended, but closing nicely. I think it makes a run for a double top tonight. I still like it. I know we've gone from 145, but these numbers in sterling dollar are tremendous. And these pullbacks are violent. Violent. But again, look at the hourly chart. And I like the pound across against other currencies, against the Aussie. That Australian news, they're going to be going into debt until 2016, their budget. First-time homebuyers can continue to claim $21,000 for newly built properties and $14,000 for established homes on purchases before September 30th. The grants will be reduced to $14,000 and $10,500 respectively. Both payments then revert to $7,000. Still, these guys really, they're issuing $60 billion in bonds. I don't know, but look at the hourly chart again. Nice uptrend channel. I think if cable can get down to the 150, 150 level, it's a buy. And I think up to that 153.50 level, it's going to look like a short. I could see easily sterling taking out the highs, then reversing a bit. Again, retail sales coming out of the U.S., I think they're going to suck. I really think they're going to suck. But I should be wrong if the economy is really turning. And that's why I think the stock market's rallying into the close like this. It's going to be up in the day. Should these numbers not be good, I think the futures will melt. So I think this is a nice tradable number on the carry trade for this. Euro sterling again looking like it's flat. Flag. Bye-bye. Say hello to 89, my friend. Say hello to my little friend 89. And that might be 135 on the euro. You never know. Maybe they break this thing down. It's only 30 pips, though. I think it's more cable exploding. El Cable. And again, looking at this euro yen, let's take a look at this chart, hourly. Making a nice move right up to resistance, coming around the outside late in the day. Downtrend channel line on the hourly. 32.70. You could get there easy. No more numbers out tonight. We do have bank lending and current account out of Japan. I don't see a major market mover, although it could be. Dollar yen suddenly coming around the outside late in the session. And I froze up. Just lovely. Let's see. Let's take a look at the daily chart. It's a scary looking chart, isn't it? Came back like I thought. I mean, really, everything happened like I thought it would, except this. I didn't think this rally would happen. We would get stopped out. I thought this would happen, and we reverse. I didn't count on this. Thank you very much. Thank you. I lost a little bit today, but Euro Canada. I want to take a look at that. Euro CAD. Still looks like a buy to me. 60. I'll tell you, it's a nice reversal, though. Oof. I changed my mind. Euro Canada with a nice shooting star doji. So that looks like that's the play tonight. Double top probably. Get a little double top, something like this. And we're going to get shorty. But liked it today. Hopefully some of you took your profit in that. And again, pound Aussie. Take a look at this. I just think they're going to be printing so much money in Australia. I don't see how the currency can't get hit. Another doji. And all this changing in the last freaking minutes because the charts just changed on me. Or else I would have changed my opinion. But again, I'm not convinced this is a total memory. We need bearish engulfing. And I still think this pound Aussie looks good. Although, again, if it doesn't rally, check out the hourly charts. And look at sterling yen, last but not least. I guess my opinion's just changed while I'm doing the show for you people. Damn. Sterling yen, that's a doji. I think, again, with retail sales going to suck, I think we probably rally with the stock market closing strong. And then on retail sales, we come in. Andrew Spanton, info, globalfxradio.com. The only voice you'll ever need in Forex that makes you money. Damn. Shitty day.